Welcome to our channel. If you want to enable SafeSearch in Chrome, follow these step-by-step instructions to filter explicit content from search results. Step 1. Open Google Chrome on your computer and make sure you're logged into your Google account. Step 2. Navigate to google.com in your browser address bar. Step 3. Click on Settings in the bottom right corner of the Google homepage, or go directly to google.com, Preferences. Step 4. Look for the SafeSearch Filters section on the Search Settings page. Step 5. Select Turn on SafeSearch or toggle the switch to enable SafeSearch filtering. This will blur explicit images and filter explicit text from search results. Step 6. If you want to lock SafeSearch to prevent others from turning it off, click Lock SafeSearch and follow the prompts to verify your account. Step 7. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save to apply your SafeSearch settings. Step 8. Perform a test search to verify SafeSearch is working. You should notice that potentially explicit content is filtered from your search results and image searches. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.